Welcome to the Redware connector for Power BI and Sage 50. Just a very short video here to show you how to get started. So you should have registered on the website and you'll have a serial number here. So just copy that serial number and then hopefully you've got a link to this install page. If you just click install, it will download a setup file for you, or sometimes it will run it directly. Just make sure you run it like that, and it will download it for you and fire up the connector. Once the connector's there, you need to set it up. So you need to click on setup, and you need to add in your serial number. You can also log on here. If you click log on, it will bring it for you. Once you've put in your serial number there, you press fix, and that's going to fix up the license for you and register. Note you got an expiry date here, so you need to pay your monthly fee before that expires. And you can go to Sage and you can set up your program folder, which will end in ACData. If you don't know what it is, just go to your Sage under Help About and you'll find that folder and you can just paste it in there. Test. And so you've got Sage set up and you've got your license set up. So now you can run Power BI. So if we go to Power BI here, we've chosen Sage. It's going to output it into this output folder. If we type create data files, it's going to extract your data out of Sage 50. Obviously, the more Sage data you've got, the longer that will take. Once that's done, if you open Power BI, it's going to open up our sample PBIX file. You need to have Power BI Desktop installed on your machine before this will fire up. If you just give it a second. You can sign in if you want to. I'm not going to sign in here. So Power BI Desktop works on your desktop, but it's loading up here. It's loading up our sort of pre-built demo data. So what you need to do is you need to wait for that refresh button to become available. It seems to be taking a little while on my machine, and then as soon as that refresh button is available, press refresh, and it will show you. It will allow you to refresh with your own data. We'll come to that in a second. I just want to show you here, you can open your data folder, and here are all the files that have been created by the connector. And those are the files that we use to populate Power BI. And if you look at our other videos, you can see how that once you've uploaded this into Power BI in the cloud, you can set up a gateway to automatically push those through every day, for example. So here we've got our refresh button. If you press refresh, that will now go through all the data files that are on that local drive, refresh with your data, and you'll be able to see your data inside Power BI. And then if you look at our other videos, if you don't know how to, you can log on to Power BI and publish that model to the cloud for everyone to use. Just be careful because security is not that tight in Power BI, and careful who you share your data with. Okay, so please look at our other videos. Hopefully that's enough for you to get started, and let us know how you get on at support@redware.com. Thank you.